In this video, we are going to review Substance Designer integration in Maxwell Render. On the Substance Launcher panel, you will see the Substance Source button. Substance Source is an online universe of high-quality materials created by Substance Designer artists. This huge library offers you thousands of procedurally driven realistic materials and as an extra, 70 of them for free. In this example, I'm going to use a wooden floor and a plaster wall. Okay, this one is interesting. So, now I click Send to Substance Designer button to grab it. When the material arrives, you see a web of notes created by the artist here, and below the preview of the material. This is the SBS file we have just downloaded. In order to use it in Maxwell, we need to publish it as an SBS archive. Now we are back to Maxwell Studio and we have the scene waiting for the materials. So I create a new material and this time picking the Substance Designer one. This Substance archive file contains all the information about our substance material. We don't need to select textures or other things as it contains all the magic. It's really looking pretty good, and it was very easy to bring it to Maxwell Render. Now I'm going to grab one more material and we'll use it on the wall. So back to Substance Source, I navigate to Plasters and pick this one as another example. And I publish it as a Substance archive again. Then creating a new material in my scene, applying it to my walls. This is looking great! Now you have the power of Substance Universe in Maxwell Render.